Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to build and fly a new foldable 4-inch quadcopter using the Rush mini stack that I reviewed a few days ago. In addition, in this video I'm going to feature the Flywoo NIN 1404 4850 kV motors, which I have recently bench tested. And as for the other components, I'm going to use the Foxeer Mix camera, an FrSky RXSR receiver, the RushFPV antenna, Emax Avan 3-inch propellers, and the Tomoquads Katana LR4 foldable frame, which by now has already been discontinued. After building and flying this quadcopter, I can tell you that first of all, the Rush mini stack performed as expected and I didn't encounter any issues. One thing that I do recommend to do is to pay attention to orientation of the board, as the battery leads needs to come out from the left side and not from the right side as you would normally expect on other stacks, and unfortunately I made this error and then I had to resolder all the motors. So just pay attention to this aspect when installing your stack, and it's going to save you some time and trouble. In case you are not familiar with the new VTX tables that are being used on Betaflight 4.1.0, you should pay attention that by default the flight controller is not pre-configured to work with the Rush VTX. The protocol that is being used is the Smart Audio 2.0, and you should follow the following settings in order to configure it. If you want to enable all the channels, what you can do is to simply copy these values, head over to the CLI, paste them, type save, press enter, and then these settings are going to be saved and you'll be able to configure the VTX using Smart Audio, either using this new tab on Betaflight or using Betaflight's OSD. The weight of this build, not including a battery, is 151.5 grams, so it's definitely not a light one. The weight including a 3S 520 mAh LHV battery is 193.5 grams, and including the 4S version, the total weight is 207.2 grams. In terms of performance, I think that the Flywoo NIN 1404 motors handle this weight without any problems, and as you're about to see in the first part of the video, you're going to see lots of jello in the flight footage since I used the Gemfen 3025 props, which didn't perform well, and also I crashed them in the first flight, so these are not very durable props, and I think that the Emax Avan 3-inch propellers performed much better. In terms of flight time, I got close to 2 minutes when pushing the throttle, and when I just hovered around at about 40% throttle, I got close to 4 minutes. I do think that these motors are going to perform better and also provide you with a longer flight time using 4-inch bi-bladed propellers, but unfortunately I won't be able to test these propellers in this video since I just placed the order and probably they are going to arrive only next month. Now I'm going to show you the build and flight footage, and as always, if you have any questions about any of the parts that I used, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on. close to the sun. Close to